The best bike pump is an indispensable piece of any bike toolkit, whether it's getting your tire pressures right at home, critical to having a good ride, or the ability to inflate a flat tire mid-ride. Owning a top-quality bike pump will be one of the best investments you make as a cyclist. In this video, we'll take a look at the best bike pump on the market today. Number 1, BV Bicycle Ergonomic Bike Floor Pump with Guage, BV. Designs innovative equipment for recreational, commuting and touring cyclists, and this pump is ideal for family bike trips where Schrader and Presta valves are on different bikes. Great time-saving features are the long steel barrel and the 34-inch hose with 360-degree pivot. It's also easier to fit into small spaces than the pull-up type of pump. This is a good, solid pump with a stable, durable base and can inflate up to 160 psi, a sport ball needle and inflatable device for soccer balls. Basketballs and pool floats is included. BV provides a 1-year warranty against defects in materials and workmanship. The pump also comes with a needle for filling sports balls and an attachment for inflatable devices like rafts and pool toys. Both of these are attached to the hose. This allows for easy access and helps prevent misplacing these small pieces. The low price comes with some costs. However, the small pressure gauge is hard to read, so be ready to squint while you pump. Also, the head's tight fit comes with a stiff locking mechanism that is difficult to secure. The base is also relatively small, which makes it more unstable than other floor pumps on this list. Key features: twin valve design, easy to read gauge, 1-year free replacement warranty, works with both Presta and Schrader valves. Number 2, Vibrelli Mini Mountain Bike Pump. Made to last, this pump from Vibrelli is easily the best mini bike pump on the market, having been manufactured from 6061 grade aluminum, the same used for airplanes. The pump itself is lightweight but very sturdy, and mounts easily beside the pedal. The dual telescope feature allows high-pressure pumping up to 120 psi with no valve changing needed. Super Fit seal suits all valve types without leaks. Included is the Glueless emergency puncture kit in a compact, sturdy case that also mounts easily on the bike, a sports needle and inflatable device valve, and a mini pump frame mounting bracket. The perfect small road cycle pump, good value and a great alternative to CO2 cartridge inflators. The pump comes with a 5-year manufacturer's guarantee, with a maximum diameter of 8.6 inches and weighing a mere 0.5 pounds. The pump is designed for portability. Though small, it's fairly powerful with a psi of up to 120. It also has a super fit pressure valve that fits both Presta and Schrader tires, meaning you don't have to change the valve when you need to fill tires on a different bike. Key features includes Glueless puncture kit. Telescopic handle means pressure can easily be changed. Includes mounting bracket for your bike. Automatically adapts to both Presta. Number 3, Bel Air Attack High Volume Bicycle Pump. The Bel Air Attack range is designed with a high-volume wide barrel to quickly inflate wider tires up to 100 psi. It has an extra-large, soft-touch handle for comfort and a wide base for stability, and comes with ball needle and inflation cone to inflate sports ball and floaties. If you're looking for more, you'll be pleased to know that the full range includes Air Attack 350 pump, fast with a reversible Schrader/Presta pump head, the Air Attack 450, even faster with a reversible Schrader/Presta pump head, and the Air Attack 650, the fastest with a dual Schrader/Presta pump head and a bottom mount gauge. Thanks to a wide barrel design, the Bel Air Attack forces more air into the tire at once, inflating it quickly and with ease. Though it's made for all types of bikes, the low-pressure inflation means it's best for fat fires found on mountain, BMX, and kids' bikes. Bel includes a bonus ball needle and inflation cone, which can be used to tackle other inflation jobs like pumping up sports balls, rafts, and toys. It also features an easy-to-read gauge and can inflate up to 100 psi. Pros: affordable, lightweight, easy to use. Ball needle and inflation cone included. Cons: not compact. Number 4, Pro Bike Tool Mountain Bike Pump with Guage. High quality, lightweight and easy to use. This bike pump gives accurate inflation for the mini bicycle and BMX bike up to 100 psi and can be mounted onto the bike frame with the mount kit provided or stowed in a backpack or cycling jersey back pocket. However, it is not suitable for low-pressure tires, e.g., fat tires. Best Buy Award winner by Outdoor Gear Lab in their Best Bicycle Frame and Mini Pump review. This aluminum pump is well put together and certainly does the job. It even comes with a lifetime warranty against manufacturer's defects. The slim profile makes it great for small or hard-to-reach valves, and it screws on for a tight seal. One other notable feature: the built-in pressure valve, which ensures you always know how much air you're adding. The only major downside is that it's not very efficient. If you are pumping up a tire you just changed, it's going to take a lot of pumps, but weighed against all the upsides, and the fact that it has helped bail me, friends and even total strangers out of flat tire jams, this pump is still a champ. Key features: flexible hose for easier fit, fast inflation, integrated pressure gauge. Number 5, Schwinn air floor pump for bicycles. This inexpensive, easy to use, fast fill pump fits both Schrader and Presta valve types and inflates up to 120 psi. An indicator shows green when locked and ready to use and red when it's not. T-handle grips make inflating more comfortable, and the high-volume 38mm diameter steel barrel ensures a fast fill. It also features a gauge to aid accurate filling and a wide steel base for added stability. It has a 21.5-inch barrel height and needle adapters for sport balls and floaties, with a sturdy base, enclosed needle storage, and an accurate side gauge. The Schwinn is a solid bike pump to help ensure a proper lock on tire valves. The head on the Schwinn has a color-coded window. Red means not locked and green means locked. This feature is especially beneficial to help kids pump up their own tires, frustration-free. The shorter tube on the Schwinn did make it more challenging to use than other pumps. Pumping at high pressure was also extremely difficult, making it unsuitable for use with road tires. Dual indicator literally gives you the green light to pump when secure. Key features: easy to read gauge attached, wide, steel base for added stability, fits both Presta and Schrader valves.